Hi everybody, hope you're well. Now, many of you who know me and many of my long-term subscribers will know that I love cooking here in the caravan, either inside or outside on the Cadac. And over the years, we've accumulated quite a few accessories. Some of them went straight into the bin, some of them were taken home because they were very useful, and some of them, and I mean very few of them, remained in the caravan. We bought a few more accessories this year, so I thought, well, in this video, let's go through my current top 5 accessories here for the kitchen caravan, and I've put a link to each one of these in the description down below. There's also some honourable mentions at the end of the video. Now, the links in the video are affiliate links. It costs you no extra, but it supplies our channel between 3 to 5 pence per purchase, which yes, we get in 2 to 3 months. Anyway, that aside, let's kick off our top 5 accessories. This is a fairly new addition to the caravan, but it's really helped in storing and using cooking oil in the caravan. This refillable sprayer is ideal when cooking. You can fill it with any oil you see fit, press the trigger and you have a fine spray. If you flick the button on the top, you can then pour it out. Now, I've poured this on the Cadac when cooking eggs at breakfast, I've sprayed it on meat and veg to stop them sticking when grilling, and it's been brilliant. It doesn't fall over, it holds the oil safe and no spills during transport. The only downside is that the bottle is made of glass. They're available in different colours, and we've just bought another one to hold olive oil for use on our salads, and it's perfect if you have an air fryer too. Now, we've had these for a little while now. These silicone mitts are perfect for not taking up much space, able to handle very hot pans, and they cost very little. The really useful part is not only do they work well with the oven and grill pans, they also work perfectly with the Cadac. I can pick up and carry the chef's pan into the caravan, useful if I'm serving up a meal or need to remove the pan for cleaning. We store them on the cooker handle, they're really easy to wash, and if you're bored on holiday, add some googly eyes and you have a perfect muppet to entertain the kids with. Or me. Yeah, mostly me. Okay, so this is more than one item, I get that, but these are temperature gauges for the cooker, the fridge and the freezer. Now, we found these inexpensive gauges really useful for making sure the oven is up to temperature and the fridge freezer is working correctly. There are of course more advanced digital versions available, but these are cheap, they work well and they can be placed in the front of the cooker, in the fridge door and on the freezer bottom. At quick glance, we can see if the oven is hot enough or if the fridge is struggling in the summer heat. I really do recommend these temperature gauges. So we bought this set when we got the new caravan, and this was a bit of a find. In fact, there are so many pieces in this 22 kitchen set that some of it ended up back at home. Now, despite the cost, these are really well built, and the utensil ends are made up of silicone, so they won't scratch the pans or cooking surfaces. The handles are wood and the whole set fits into a lightweight plastic pot. Now, this is an ideal companion set if you enjoy cooking outside or inside. The kit includes spoons, fish slices, basting brushes, tongs and some hooks randomly. Now, this is a really affordable set that has surprised us on how good it really is. Now, I only got these back in July this year, and it was because of these that I came up with this video. I've struggled for years keeping the Cadac really clean. I ended up taking it home at one point, stripping it down and running it through the dishwasher, but I never managed to get the chef's pan really super clean, until Angela bought me these Spontex scrubbers. Now, they're not revolutionary, I get that, but with the addition of a handle, they really do clean the Cadac grill, the chef's pan, inside the lid and the drip tray with very little effort. All I used when I was cleaning was some hot water, washing up liquid, and I sat outside with a glass of wine cleaning each part. I also gave the cooker inside the caravan a really good clean after I spilt some sauce over the hob. Again, no harsh chemicals, and within a minute or so, the cooker looked as good as new. We got 6 in the pack, 3 of which stayed in the caravan, 3 of them came back home with us, and when finished, I simply rinsed the scrubber out to remove any food particles, and it's ready for the next time. These have been absolutely brilliant. So there we go, that's my current top 5. What do you think? But like I said at the beginning of the video, there is some honourable mentions, so let's kick off with those right now. The first one is the tapas set from Cadac. Ideal if you're doing small dishes, but they're brilliant for things like eggs on the Cadac. But we've used them to do potato dauphinoise here in the oven, and also apple turnovers. It turned out really, really well. Another honourable mention is our kettle. We ditched our plug-in electric kettle this year, and we've gone back to a whistle stovetop kettle. Because we have a hot plate, there's no need to carry an electric kettle as well. Another honourable mention is our Zebra Pot. We use this one perhaps once or twice every time we go away. It's fantastic for carrying food to and from the caravan, ideal for leftovers, soups. I've even done a vat of mulled wine in this thing and it's absolutely brilliant. Another top pick for us is disposable tin foil trays. They're absolutely brilliant, especially if you want to pre-make a dish at home. We've used them for making lasagnas, but also if you've got something cooking in the oven which you know is going to make a bit of mess. Absolutely perfect, because once it's done, you can just fold them up and throw them away. Absolutely brilliant. And then my last top pick is the obligatory air fryer. Now, we bought ours on special offer. It was under 20 quid, in fact, when we bought it. I don't think they're available at that price anymore, but it's okay. It's an all right air fryer. I'm not going to dwell on too much on air fryers here in the caravan, because I'm actually putting together a video talking about them specifically, because there's a few things we should all be aware of. So that'll be coming out in the new year, no doubt. And there we go, guys. That is my top 5 accessories for the caravan kitchen, or indeed motorhome kitchen as well. Now, I'd love to know your top 5 and things that you take away in your caravan or motorhome in the kitchen, and accessories that you just can't do without. So please pop them down in the comment section below. It'd be great to see, and it'd be great for us to all share our top picks as well. And also, if you've picked up a particular brand of anything which you think is worthy of a mention. So that's it from me today. Many thanks for watching, everybody. Please do hit the subscribe button, hit the notification icon if you can do all of that. Then you'll see us in the next upload. Thanks ever so much, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.